Welcome back to Teachers Nabila channel. Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aeisyah Maisarah binti Zulhaidi. I am from Janatul Ma'wa. Today, I want to make a cooking task given by our beloved teacher.
A few inches later.
Yes, I get an idea. I want to make a homemade churros. Let's get started. First, we need 40 grams of unsalted butter, 110 grams of flour, 115 ml of water, 20 grams of sugar, and lastly 2 eggs. Let's get started. First step, pour the water. Next, add the sugar and butter, and then mix well. Lastly, add the flour. Mix continuously. The texture will be like this. Now, put the dough in a bowl and let it sit for 10 minutes.
Meanwhile,
To make a dip sauce, we can use any kind of jam. Like me, I am using the kaya jam and strawberry jam. Firstly, put 1 teaspoon of jam in a container and put 1 teaspoon of water to make it melt and mix well. Ready to serve.
a few moments later.
Now, break the eggs one by one and then mix well. The duration of the mixture is quite long, so you have to be patient. After mixing well, place the dough into a piping bag. Next, prepare parchment paper. By using a pipe bag, turn the dough into sticky churros. Because the nozzle of my pipe bag was so small, I could only make small churros, but it's okay because it looked like a cute finger. Heat the fire first and then fry the churros over medium heat until the color is golden brown. Now the churros is ready to eat. So crunchy. Even it look like not interested, but the taste is so delicious. Okay, must try it. this recipe, you must make sure that the color is like this. Okay guys, that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to try this recipe, okay? Please like and subscribe to Teachers Nabila channel. Bye!